how to create an account on Prome AI. If you want to create an account, just head over to promeai.pro/blender, then click on this login or sign up. Now you can put in your email or you can also continue with Google on this case. So for me, I'll head over and then just use right here my Google account in order to make this process easier for me. Now, once you have done that, you should be able to see in here that I've actually already logged in. I'm actually in the free plan, and you can see in here the tokens that I have. So 0.1 coin is equals to 1 relax generation, and it actually is having here a conversion. 2 coins is equal to 1 video generation with watermark, 1 2 coins per 1 HD upscaler, and 1 coin per fast generation. So if you already have 10 coins per month, and you can actually consume that. So we can also see in here the AI tools that they have, like for example, sketch rendering, AI image generator, HD upscaler, erase and replace, and all of these things that you can see right here. So in here, you can also see that you have on a free account. So you can head over and click on your membership, and you can click on this upgrade right here if you want to upgrade your plan. Now you can see in here the actual subscriptions or benefits that you have right here. So you have these key features, everything in free plus fast generation as well, everything in base plus video generation. You can have in here the highest subscription, which is the Pro. So just choose which plan you want. Just choose if you want yearly, theme, coins right here if you want to as well, and then just choose your subscription. Once you have created your account, you can head back right here to your dashboard, and you can just choose all of the tools that they have right here that you want to try. So that's how you create an account on Prome AI. Hope we helped.